Apple has just made the official release of iOS 15, so every iPhone user can now update to the latest iOS version. iOS 15 comes with multiple features which I cannot wait to explore. However, despite watching the Apple keynote from June again and again, I didn't hear anything about battery life. Hey guys, how's it going? This is George from TechLunar.com, and in this video, we're going to compare the battery life between iOS 14 and iOS 15. Wait a minute. Why do I only have 64% already? I charged my phone the entire night before this video. Well, I guess I'm going to have to charge my phone before we get started with this video. The way this comparison is going to work is by placing both iOS 14 on the left and iOS 15 device on the right, side by side. And as you can see, I tried to make the free space available on both of the devices as close to identical as possible. Next up, both of the phones have the same maximum capacity, sitting at 87% of its original capacity. Due to the lighting changing conditions in this room, I need to also make sure that auto brightness is turned off. This is going to prevent the screen from changing brightness during the whole comparison. And finally, ensuring that only Wi-Fi is turned on, not Bluetooth or anything else. Airplane mode is also going to be turned on during this comparison. Next, we need to quit all the apps from the background and only keep YouTube, which we're going to use for the entire comparison. We're going to play a 10-hour long footage of me working in the nature over and over again. I think this is a perfect example of you watching random YouTube videos with the only difference you watching the same video over and over. Of course, we need to make sure that both of the videos have a fixed quality, which is 720p, 60 FPS, and this is the highest quality that this footage is available. Making sure that both devices have the same brightness level, and finally, I'm going to try to release the charging cable from both of the devices at the same time and press on the stopwatch. So 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm going to speed up the process because it's going to take some time until both of the devices run out of battery life. And so I'm going to see you in a few minutes. Alright, so the comparison is finally over and we can see the exact time of when both devices died. So we see that iOS 15 lasted for about 8 hours, 48 minutes, 38 seconds, and about 10 to 14 milliseconds. However, due to a small error, which I really apologize, that happened with a video file on while recording on iOS 14.8, which was a small corruption issue, this actually caused the footage to be corrupt at the exact time when iOS 14 died. However, the good news are that I remember the exact time of when iOS 14 died, which was at 8 hours, 52 minutes, 25 seconds, and about 60 to 66 milliseconds. So what about the final thoughts? No final thoughts. See you in my next video. I'm just kidding. So we saw that iOS 14 and iOS 15 run for about the same time, with only 4 minutes difference. So that tells me that Apple has managed to preserve, roughly, the same battery life from iOS 14, which is very good news, which means that you shouldn't worry about battery life when upgrading to iOS 15. And this is a crucial question, whether you should update to iOS 15. And my answer to this is always to look at your phone. Look at your iPhone and how it performed on iOS 14. And if it was okay, if it was running smoothly, then definitely consider updating to iOS 15 because your battery life will also stay the same. However, if iOS 14 for some reason wasn't working for you, it was slow, it was laggy, and you own an older phone, say an iPhone 7 or an iPhone 6s, then probably you should stay on iPhone 14 for now. However, if you own one of the latest phones, say an iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, then definitely go ahead and update to iOS 15 so you can get the latest features that Apple provides you. And personally, I am an iPhone XR user and I have updated to iOS 15 and I'm actually fine with it. I have no problems, no lagging, but because I actually was using iOS 15 beta for a while, then there were definitely bugs on it. But right now, updating to the latest version, the official version, then no bugs, no problems at all. And now I'm shifting the spotlight to you. Have you updated to iOS 15? And if not, why so? Don't forget to let me down in the comment section below. And if you like this video and you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button on the bottom right. Furthermore, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and in case they're considering updating to iOS 15 and they're worried about battery life. And the most important thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it in order to be among the first people to watch our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video.